Jayadamba Pearl. So today I'll be showing you the Kundan choker sets which you can also wear as an armlet. So 2-in-1. Let me just go ahead and show you the lightweight collection. So if you want to check out this collection, you can also contact us. You can check the WhatsApp number in the description, and if you want to try this jewelry at home, you can also fix an appointment, and to check the number you can also check the description. And if you like our collection and if you want to get notified every day, do not forget to subscribe and click the bell notification. You can also order us online. Today I'll be showing you the beaded choker sets. So you can see this is a Nakshi model and the Kundan choker set, and here also the beaded choker set. So this is in the Chandbali model, and here this is in the flower model which we have used the motifs and also the Kundan. So let's get into the video and let us know about the details.
In this Nakshi choker, the gold weight is 19 grams and the stone weight is 9.10. According to your taste, your choice, you can change the beads also. And in this, the gold weight is 9 grams and the beads are just simple onyx beads. These are, if you want to change with a natural rubies or emeralds, it can be possible. And here the stone weight is 9.9 carats and the gold weight is 9 grams. And in this flower choker, the gold weight is carrying 13.5 grams gold weight is there, and the stone weight is 14.7 carats, and the pearls are 5.05 carats, and the beads are 18 carats. And here just we kept like this. You can add any colored gemstones like ruby or emerald. And in these also the gold weight is 16 grams and the beads stones and polki weight is 15 carats.
So hope you have liked the jewelry, guys. So let me show you this beautiful pendant or the choker. So this can be used as a pendant if you want this to be made as a long set. So you can add the beads over here, and if you want it to be made as a choker, you can also add the beads in this model and make it as a choker. And if you want any other gemstone to be used, you can use any other color gemstone to make it as a choker or a long chain. So this is a beautiful Kundan set. So meanwhile, you can also check all these beautiful chokers, the 3 chokers. There is a customization option available for these beads. You can also customize the beads as per your wish. And you can also try this beautiful collection at your home. You can check out the number in the description to fix an appointment. Or if you want to change or exchange your old gold also, Jayadamba Pearls is always open for you. You can check our store location in the description and you can walk in. We are taking all the safety measures in this pandemic. That's all for today, guys. Hope you have loved the jewelry and liked all our collection. Thank you for watching.